This year we're hosting the 2017 National Indigenous Science and Engineering Summer School. It's a collaboration between the sciences and engineering at the ANU, and it's an opportunity for our young people to come from across the nation and explore different ideas around the sciences.
It actually has shown me what uni is really about, what it's really like, and just the variety that you can get inside each course. It's been amazing. It's been so much fun. Everyone here is so lovely. Like, these people love their jobs, and the stuff that they can talk about is just, you become interested because they're interested.
It's not just about Indigenous students, it's about any young student at school, to give them an opportunity to see what is available to them, what they can pursue into the future. It's giving them ideas about where they can go, what they can do, and basically, you know, the world is opened up to you through education.
People here are so lovely. If you show that you want to be here, then they're ready to drop everything for you pretty much. They're willing to help you no matter what.